we install the Metasploitable in our system, it is time to connect this with the real machine that we have. For example, my real machine or my main machine is Kali Linux, and I installed VirtualBox in my Kali Linux, and I installed the Metasploitable within the VirtualBox, and now I have to connect these two together. First, I need to search for ifconfig to find its IP address. So the IP address is right now 10.0.2.15. So for ETH0, okay? And let me go back to my other machine, my real machine. I'm going to open a new terminal and I search for ifconfig and hit enter to see that ETH0, it doesn't have any IP address right now because it doesn't have internet connection. So now we need to handle this and we need to connect these two together. So we have this Metasploitable. First you need to close this, okay? Power it off, and then select the Metasploitable, go to setting, and from here go to networks, and from attached to, from here I need to select the bridge, and also name is LAN 0, that is okay, and hit OK from here, and then hit start. Now it will start this, and this time we must have another IP address about this, and we must be able to connect these two together. Now let's wait for a moment until it's loaded and we can log into this. Okay, MSF admin, hit enter, MSF admin, hit enter. Now if I use ifconfig, hit enter, you see that this time I have another IP address. Here it is, 192.168.120 and 100. Okay. Now, and also if I move back right over here, you see we had an IP address for LAN 0, that is this IP address. Okay, let's go and search for that once again. You see still that it's the same and it didn't change anything. Okay, I'm going to ping this to see if these two are together connected or not. Okay, so I will use ping and I will type the IP address for this. It is this one, hit enter, and you see that it is connected. Okay, so I will cancel it and then I will okay. Okay, MSF admin, MSF admin. Okay, I'm back here. This time I'm going to ping the other machine. What is that machine? Okay, IP address for this one is the LAN 0. This is the IP address. Okay, I'm going to type it here. It is 192.168, and the last one is 216. So when I hit enter, you see that it's also connected. Okay, now that these two machines are connected together, I can write my Python script, okay, to run some script within this server remotely. Okay, so here I will use Control-C to cancel that. Okay, so in the next video I will create the program.